we learn to write a code which executes line by line. But what if we have a situation where we want to have a piece of code which should be executed when a particular condition occurs or particular situation occurs? Let's say something like if the order total in the cart is more than 200 rupees, then apply a coupon of 20%. So something like that, if we want to achieve, we use conditional statements. Conditional statements are nothing but the statements that allow us to skip or execute a piece of code based on a result of a Boolean expression. Basically, based on whether the result of the expression is true or false. If it is true, then only a block of code will be executed, otherwise, it won't be executed. These statements are also called as if statements or if conditions. So let's see the syntax first. So the syntax of if condition is if, then condition that we have something like whether order total is greater than 200 or not, then colon at the end, and on the next line we write a body of a if statement, basically the code that we want to execute if and only if the if condition evaluates to be true. So let's see some examples. Let's say we have a variable called as order total which has a total value of the order, and we want to give a discount of 20%. So basically discount equal to 0.20 when if the order total is greater than 200, then only we want to apply it. So the total value that we want to make is order total minus equal to, basically order total equal to order total minus order total into discount, and then we want to print total value that you have to pay is order total. Let's see the output. Let's run our program. Python simple conditions.py and see the value that we added is 234, which is greater than 200, and hence a discount of 20% is applied, and we got the total value as an order total as 187.2. Now let's say our order total is maybe somewhere around 199. Let's see the output of this. Let's execute our program, Python simple conditions.py, and we can see that here the discount is not at all applied because our order total is 199, which is not greater than 200. Let's see if we use 200, what happens. 200. Let's see the output. Python simple conditions.py, and it's still 200 because our condition says the order total has to be greater than 200, then only it will be applied. So let's test it with 201. So let's make it 201. Let's see the output. Let's run our program, Python simple conditions, and here we can see that as soon as the order total is greater than 200, the discount of 20% is applied, and hence the total value or the order total that a user has to pay now is 160.8. Now let's see what exactly is happening in our code. So here when we are coming at line number 6, here our interpreter sees that there is an if statement. So what exactly this if statement is doing? it's actually creating a branch in your code. So this branch will have a block of code which will get executed if and only if the condition given to if is true. So when the condition order total greater than 200 is evaluated, if the output or the result of this statement is true, then and then only the block of code which is present inside this if statement will be executed. Now here I have one line, but it can have more than one lines, which you want to execute only if that condition is true. Now, how do you make the difference between the other lines of code and this branch or this line, these block of codes, is by indenting the code using the indent. So the code which you want to execute only if the condition in if statement is true should be present indented within the if. Hence, here you can see I have four spaces or one indent or one tab given before I start writing these lines of code. So you should be careful with this indentation over here. If the block of code should be executed only if the condition is true, all those lines of code should be indented to the right side within the if condition. So let's add one print statement which indicates that the 20% discount has been applied. So let's say print you got a discount of 20%. Let's execute this program. Python simple condition, and here we can see that since our order total is 201, we got a 20% discount. Let's change it to 199. Let's make it 199. Let's execute our program. Python simple conditions.py. Here there is no discount applied, and hence no print of you got a discount of 20% is applied. Now let's say you want to inform your customer that there is no discount applied, but there is a discount if your order total is greater than 200. So how can we do that? So for that we use an else, which is executed if the condition in if statement is false. So let's print you can get a discount of 20% if your order total is more than 200. Let's execute this program. Python simple conditions. Now here you can see that since our order total is 199, it says you can get a discount of 20% if your order total is more than 200, which is clearly saying that it went inside else since the if condition is false. Now let's change the order total value. This time let's make the order total as 200.45, and let's see the output of this. Let's execute our program. Python simple Python conditions, and here we can see that a discount of 20% is applied and the total is now 160.36 is what we have to pay as a customer. So here we can see that our order total is 200.45, which is greater than 200. Hence the if condition is evaluated to true and the discount of the 20% got applied on our order total, and the total value then we have to pay is 160.36 rupees.